this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Secure Boot on your Windows 11 computer. So let's go to Start, go to Settings, and we're going to launch this into BIOS. So let's go to Windows, and then go to Advanced Options, and then go to Recovery, and then go to Advanced Startup Restart. And go to Restart Now. And this is going to launch us into a blue screen where we can launch into BIOS menu without having to press delete, escape, F12, F9, etc. when our computer restarts. So it's much easier. All right, so under the screen, let's go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, UEFI Firmware Settings, and then go to Restart. And the next screen we'll see is the BIOS menu. All right, so under our BIOS menu, let's go on over to where it says BIOS. And we can go on down to CSM Support and make sure this is disabled. If you have this enabled, you won't see the option for Secure Boot. So go to Disabled, go to Save and Exit right here, and then restart into the BIOS menu one more time. And this option for Secure Boot will now be available. You might not see it unless you disable this first. So let's go to Secure Boot now, and then go to the option for Secure Boot to make sure this is enabled. Then also for trying to do TPM 2.0, look for an option called Trusted Computing 2.0. Could be Trusted something, blah, 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 2.0, TPM something. Just go in there and make sure this is enabled on your motherboard BIOS menu. And then we can go to Save and Exit and restart a computer. And then we should be able to play games like Valorant now on our computer. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.